channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. So guys, in this video I'm sharing how to make glowing base at home. So sometimes we are very busy and you can't follow the makeup steps like moisturizing and sun lotions and skincare, and you have to leave your skin about 2 to 3 minutes to observe all products in your skin. So no time sometimes, and we are thinking, oh, we can't follow the makeup steps. So guys, I'm telling you today very easy way how to make glowing base yourself at home to get flawless base, waterproof, long lasting and subtle look, so you can save time. So I'm going to tell you step by step, so let's begin. So guys, you have to take plastic plate or bowl like that, any kind of. First I'm taking moisturizing. So today I'm using from Aloe, lightweight, normal to oily skin. So you can use any kind of moisturizing according to your skin types and conditions. First I'm going to add the moisturizing like this amount. Second products I'm using primer. I'm using from the MORPHE. You can use any kind of primer. Then I'm going to add the primer. Then I'm going to add sun lotion. I'm using from the Forever Living Aloe Vera. Then I'm going to add the foundation. I'm using from the Maybelline Fit Me Golden. Add about 2 to 3 drops. Then I'm going to add the illuminator. I'm using from the REVLON Skin Light Face Glow Illuminator. Then going to add about 2 to 3 drops. The illuminator give you beautiful glowing. Then I'm going to add some setting spray. Then take any kind of brush, then mix all together. Mix properly till everything is mixed. So guys, this is your base ready. So before apply, I'm going to double moisturizing because I have got dry skin. If you got oily skin, no need to apply the double moisturizing. Leave it because we already add the moisturizing in the base. Then I'm going to use the corrector. The corrector I'm using peach. So guys, if you got hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tones, must apply the corrector before apply the base or foundation. Otherwise your base will look gray or ashy. So I have got black circle eyes, not very black, little bit. So near my mouth, little bit darkness, uneven skin tone. So I'm going to apply here and here. Then I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend. Now my skin ready to base. Now I'm going to apply the base. You can see how beautiful. I'm going to use little bit amount first, then going to build up if I need it. This is very glowing, very creamy and very easy to apply. So we got everything: sun lotion, moisturizing, setting spray, foundation, illuminator. Next I'm going to apply the concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. Then just apply under my eyes. Then taking beauty blender to blend and just going to blend. Next I'm using the translucent powder. Then I'm going to set the under my eyes and in T-zone and little bit around the face to set up the base. And use powder puff to apply. Next I'm doing my eyebrow. Eyebrow pencil I'm using from MUA. Then I'm just going to fill the sparse area. Next I'm doing my eye makeup. So today I'm just using the pencil, green pencil, and just going to apply whole my eyelid. Then next I'm taking the little small floppy brush, then just going to blend out. Then I'm taking same blue color eyeshadow powder, then just apply. Then I'm going to apply the eye pencil. Then same color I'm going to apply lower my eyelashes. Next I'm going to apply the mascara from High Sy REVLON. Then next I'm going to apply the bronzer from RIMMBLE London Natural Bronzer. I'm just going to apply forehead. Give like a sun-kissed effect in my cheek. In my nose, I just use my finger and just blend it out. Then I'm going to apply the blush from KK. Then just going to apply in my high cheekbone. Then next I'm going to apply the lip liner from MUA Maroon color. This is very pigmented color. Next I'm going to apply the lip gloss. So guys, this is my final look. You can see how glowing base. This looks absolutely beautiful. So guys, you can make like this base at home yourself very quick, and you can save the time. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.